Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Aroma Housewares 6-cup, cooked, 3-cup uncooked, pot-style rice cooker and food steamer, ARC-743-1NG. Multifunctional use, whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, yes, cake, you can accomplish it all with your ARC-743-1NG cooker. The possibilities are as creative as your capacity and dimensions. The ARC-743-1NG collection has a 14-cup cooked capacity and measures 9.4 x 14.2 x 9.4. User-friendly programming, our Simply Stainless collection is also a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. These products are easy to use with one-touch operation that switches to keep warm automatically once cooking is finished, allowing you the freedom to take back your time instead of worrying while you cook. Accessories: this pot-style rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, an aluminum steam tray, rice measuring cup, and a plastic rice spatula.Power. Consumption 120 V 60 Hz 350 watts. Perfectly prepares 2 to 6 cups of any variety of cooked rice. Steams meat and vegetables while rice cooks below. Simple, one-touch operation with automatic keep warm. Great for soups, jambalaya, chili and so much more. Full view tempered glass lid. Includes steam tray, rice measuring cup and serving spatula. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.